Welcome back to Dazzy Cars. Sometimes the future doesn't arrive with noise. It doesn't roar in with a V8 soundtrack or flash its presence with oversized wings and dramatic exhaust flames. Sometimes the future arrives silently, confidently, and completely redefines what you thought a car needed to be. Today we're talking about a vehicle that dares to remove one of the most fundamental components of automotive design, the rear window. This is the Polestar 4. Yes, no rear window. And that alone tells you this isn't just another electric SUV coupe trying to ride the EV wave. The Polestar 4 is bold in a way that feels Scandinavian, deliberate, intelligent, and unapologetically different. Now let's talk about the exterior, because at first glance the Polestar 4 feels clean, almost minimal. But the more you look at it, the more the details begin to speak. The front end carries Polestar's signature Thor's hammer-inspired LED lighting, sharp and precise, slicing through the air with that unmistakable Nordic identity. There's no traditional grille, of course. This is fully electric, so the nose is smooth, aerodynamic, sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining presence. The stance is wide, confident, athletic without being aggressive. From the side profile, you immediately notice the coupe-like roofline. It slopes gracefully toward the rear, giving the 4 a sporty silhouette that separates it from boxier SUVs. Flush door handles keep the surfaces clean. The character lines are subtle, not exaggerated. This isn't a car that shouts for validation. It knows it looks good. And then there's the rear, or rather, the absence of what we expect at the rear. Instead of a traditional back window, Polestar replaced it with a high-definition digital rear view system. The glass roof extends further back, improving headroom for rear passengers, while cameras project a live feed to the rear view mirror display. It sounds radical, but in practice it enhances visibility while allowing designers to optimize structure and aerodynamics. The full-width LED light bar across the back gives it a modern, futuristic signature at night. It feels cohesive, balanced, thoughtful. Moving inside, the interior feels exactly like you'd expect from a Scandinavian luxury brand. Clean, airy, intentional. The materials are sustainable, premium, and carefully chosen. Vegan upholstery options, recycled materials, minimalist design language, it all feels progressive without feeling sterile. The dashboard is dominated by a large central touchscreen running Google-based infotainment software. It's intuitive, responsive, and integrated seamlessly into the vehicle's ecosystem. Navigation, media, climate controls, everything flows naturally. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and simple, avoiding unnecessary clutter. Rear seat space is surprisingly generous. Because there's no rear window cutting into headroom, back passengers enjoy a more open, spacious environment. Ambient lighting adds warmth, while the panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light. This is a car designed around comfort and clarity rather than over-the-top theatrics. Now let's talk performance, because beneath that minimalist shell lies serious capability. The Polestar 4 offers dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations producing over 500 horsepower in its higher trims. That's not mild, that's quick. 0 to 60 happens in the low 3-second range depending on configuration. Instant electric torque delivers smooth, relentless acceleration. There's no gear-shifting drama, just immediate propulsion. It feels refined but powerful, like being pushed forward by an invisible force. Handling is composed and balanced. The battery pack sits low in the chassis, giving the 4 a stable center of gravity. Steering feels precise without being twitchy. Suspension tuning leans toward comfort but maintains control during spirited driving. It's not a track monster, but it's confident and capable when roads begin to twist. The ride quality is where the Polestar 4 shines. Absorbs imperfections gracefully. Cabin isolation is impressive. Wind noise is minimal thanks to the aerodynamic profile. It's a vehicle built for modern commuting and long-distance cruising with effortless ease. Range figures are competitive, pushing well beyond 300 miles depending on configuration. Fast charging capability ensures you can replenish the battery quickly during road trips. It's practical, functional, efficient. Safety is deeply integrated into the Polestar philosophy. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation, and the advanced camera-based rear visibility system. Structural integrity is engineered to meet rigorous global safety standards. Pricing positions the Polestar 4 directly against premium electric competitors like the Tesla Model Y Performance and higher trims of the Ford Mustang Mach-E. It's not budget-oriented, but it offers a distinctly refined alternative in a crowded EV landscape. Emotionally, the Polestar 4 represents intelligent rebellion. It doesn't follow SUV norms. It does mimic Tesla. It doesn't try to look like a gas-powered crossover. It's comfortable being different. For American buyers, it offers something fresh, a European-inspired, tech-forward EV that feels premium without feeling flashy. It's for drivers who value design, sustainability, and forward-thinking engineering. And that's the beauty of today's automotive world. You can have radical hypercars dripping in polished metal and analog romance, or you can have clean, futuristic EVs redefining daily mobility. If you love exploring both extremes of the car universe, make sure you subscribe to Dazzy Cars, because here we celebrate everything from handcrafted nostalgia to digital disruption. And speaking of handcrafted nostalgia, the De Tomaso P72 video is already live on this channel. That car is the complete opposite of today's Polestar 4. Analog gauges, exposed mechanical linkages, supercharged V8 emotion. It's already uploaded, and watching it right now will show you two completely different visions of automotive passion, one rooted in timeless artistry, the other pushing toward a sustainable, tech-driven tomorrow. Go watch the De Tomaso P72 video right now. It's waiting for you. And once you've seen both, you'll understand just how wide and how exciting the future of cars really is.